Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to add Skrill as a payment method to Shopify store. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to add Skrill as a payment method inside your store, well, the first thing that you want to do here is you first need to access your Shopify store. So go to shopify.com, log into your account, and access the website. Now in here, you want to go and click on settings at the bottom left of your screen. Now inside settings, you want to go and choose payments. Now, inside payments, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here, look for additional payment methods. Go and click on add payment method. Now, from here, you want to go and switch over to search by provider. Go to the search bar and just type in the following. It's going to be Skrill. Now, look for Skrill Official. Let's go and select this one. And once you selected Skrill Official here, this will ask you a bunch of details about your account. Now, since we want to basically start using this, let's go and click on install at the top right. Now, once the app has been installed into your shop, you should be able to again fill out some details. Now from here, let's go and click on install, confirm, wait for a while, and once it's actually done, you should be able to see it now being set up. So inside Skrill here, like what I said before, you need to provide certain details, like for example the merchant ID, the email. So this is the email address that is associated with your actual account, the secret word here. So in this case, this one is really mandatory. So this ensures the integrity of the data posted back to the servers. So in this case, you may need to check your Skrill account. So again, you need to have a Skrill merchant account here. So typically you just need to access settings. Then you want to go to developer settings and you should be able to see your secret word. Now, the API password here, you need to enable this. Again, you want to go to settings and developer settings, and you should be able to see it. Now, logo URL here. So the URL of the logo to be displayed during the quick checkout. So in this case, you may need to upload this from on the content page or content section of your actual on your Shopify page. You can go and copy the URL for that and just paste it in here. Now from here, go and click on save, and that should basically add Skrill into your account. Now it may take a few hours to have this fully connected, as again, they may need to authenticate your account first. And by the way, you need to have a merchant account first before you can actually proceed with this one. But yeah, so that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.